Welcome back. It wasn't long ago that we introduced Bildeform version 2.0, opening new doors for digital relief and depth map generation. But we believe refinement is a continuous journey. Today, I want to walk you through Bildeform version 2.5, an update that takes that foundation and polishes it into something truly elegant. Our goal in this session is simple yet ambitious. We are going to transform a flat image into a high-fidelity bas-relief, utilizing a completely new mode generation engine designed to eliminate the noise and give us a pristine, sculpture-ready surface without necessarily depending in some cases on the other two layers, depth layer and curvature layer. Let's begin with the source image, an input image that we have already tested in our other tutorials, so that when you see them, you can compare the results between one mode generation and another. Now, in the MoGe-2 settings, we are making a deliberate choice for quality. We select the large model and push the detail level all the way to maximum 3600. Why go this high? Because a relief is only as good as the data it's built on. By doing this, we tell the AI to ignore nothing, to capture every micro texture and subtle curve. We aren't just looking for shapes, we are looking for the grain of the image. It's a heavier calculation, yes, but for what we are about to do, it is absolutely essential. For this reason, you need to have at least 6 GB of VRAM on your computer, especially if the image has a high resolution of 4K or above. Now, here lies the heart of version 2.5, the convolutional generation mode. If you've struggled with jagged peaks or uneven displacement in the past, this is your answer. This new algorithm works differently. It treats the height map more like a uniform emboss effect. It smooths out the aggressive highs and lows, creating a balanced, coherent surface that feels organic rather than mathematical. This new mode generation creates results that are very similar to those of competitors available on the market, such as Sculpt-OK, etc. This shows that you don't need to pay a monthly fee or an expensive license to get results that you can improve and iterate on in your own Blender workflow or other tool. We set our samples to 50,000 to ensure that gradient is silky smooth, and we let Bildeform work its magic. And there it is. Look at the immediate consistency of that mesh. Notice how we don't have those harsh, distracting spikes? That is the convolutional engine at work. But because we paired it with those high-fidelity MoGe-2 settings, the details are already incredibly pronounced. The folds in the fabric, the leaves in the background, they are crisp yet they sit perfectly within the relief, without fighting for attention. Compare it with the original image that served as our input. The similarity with the generated geometry is impressive. At this stage, the result is so complete that the additional depth and curvature layers are almost a luxury, rather than a necessity. However, Bildeform gives you that control if you need to accent specific frequencies. This is the step up we wanted to achieve with 2.5. It's not just about generating geometry, it's about generating art with cleaner, more reliable tools. Go ahead, download the update, and feel the difference for yourself. If you are ready to bring this level of precision to your own workflow, Bildeform 2.5 is available right now on Superhive Market and Blender Kit. We've currently set a price point that, frankly, stands alone in the market, and with our limited time discounts, the value is simply unmatched compared to the competition. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Secure your copy today and start sculpting with true depth.